Today I'm going to show you how to turn off last seen on Microsoft Teams. If you're looking for more privacy or just want to work without others seeing when you're online, this guide will walk you through your best options. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account. Once you're logged in and on the main Teams interface, it's important to understand something up front. Teams doesn't allow you to fully disable last active or presence tracking. Microsoft has designed the platform to keep Teams connected, which means there's always some level of status visibility. However, there are ways to minimize how much information others can see about your activity. Now look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. This is typically a small circular image or your initials if you haven't set a profile picture. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. This action will open a drop-down menu that gives you access to several important settings and options related to your account and status. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see various status options available to you. These include statuses like available, busy, do not disturb, and appear offline. Each of these serves a different purpose in how you're perceived by your colleagues. You can change your status to busy if you want people to know you're working but prefer not to be interrupted. Alternatively, you can select do not disturb, which will suppress most notifications and signals to others that you shouldn't be contacted unless it's urgent. However, if you're looking for the closest thing to hiding your last seen or active status, you'll want to choose appear offline. This is the most privacy-focused option available in Teams. When you set your status to appear offline, it gives the impression that you're not currently active on the platform. Keep in mind, though, this doesn't completely turn off tracking on Microsoft's backend. Teams will still log your activity for administrative purposes, but your colleagues won't see you as active or available. It's worth noting that even with appear offline selected, some actions like sending messages or joining meetings may still reveal that you're actually online. So while this setting provides more privacy, it's not a perfect invisibility cloak. That's it, you've now adjusted your status to the most private setting available in Microsoft Teams. While you can't completely turn off last seen tracking, using appear offline is your best option for maintaining some level of privacy while still having access to the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.